Arewa youths, my people, they don't give Yoruba indigenes 72 hours to leave northern region of Nigeria. And this one, they come after Sunday Igbohu statement. For now, when they are aware, Sunday Igbohu don't make your own decision. And according to Ran, he say, you know what, Nigeria, say na Yoruba nation. After Sunday make this statement, na so the northern youths come decide, say, okay, since he want the Yoruba nation, make all the Yoruba people where they know say they dey northern part of Nigeria, they get 72 hours to leave. They no want hear any story. My people, this matter dey very, very serious. Hey, Sunday Igbohu, no be smart, you know. And now, as I dey talk to now, see, all of us, we know, say, wetin they call them, all these northern people, we know all the atrocities where they don't commit. Fulani people. No be say they even be people where we go say, okay, they know they look for trouble or something. They love people. They not even be accommodating. We know all the things with this now. People where they don't kill, they don't kidnap, they don't rape women, they don't destroy farmlands. Many things will happen. Even the period where Buhari lock border. No be this same Fulani they send, may they go destroy farmlands for south. Before you know, they go come outside. Hey, there's no food, no food stuff, no food this one. My people, see, I just they hope say this thing, you know, go reach level of war where we no go fit settle. Because the way they see I'm alone, everybody don't start they send their opponents, come on for my side, come on for my side. Everybody don't start. I beg Yoruba people, make una listen to me very well. As they don't give una 72 hours, this thing are very simple. Una go give them 70 hours. Yes, so that, see, this thing, we don't even need stress. They don't want to in their land. Una no want them for their land. So make everybody just come out in peace. Before another thing go come start. And this will not be today we even dey talk am. It don't take. Before this Sunday fight even start, where Sunday they chase Northerners come up for this thing, we don't think, we know nobody even want these Northerners, nobody even want them. So I beg, if you know say you be Yoruba person, to avoid all these plenty things, just come out. Because now people know they tell me say, Madam Aproko, Nigeria is for everybody. You can stay where you want. I beg, if as they don't want us, and we don't already they decide say, may everybody go on their own. So if everybody supposed to go on their own, I be say, may everybody start a park. Anywhere you find yourself now, where you know say, no be your land. I beg, just relocate. Very, very simple. These people, they don't cause us too much problem. If only these Fulani people fit just come off from Nigeria. Hey, all this thing where we dey struggle, we no go even struggle. Peace of mind go dey, love go, like everything go just dey smooth. But since they are there, my people, we no get any choice than to manage. We need to continue to manage. And now, why? See, I see they talk this thing. If you know, say you dey in support, may everybody go on their own. I beg, see, state am there. We need know who dey with us, because now this matter go so reach level where we no go fit handle am again. As they no want us, we no want them. Now this one sef even they make me the vex with Buhari. Now this one, in fact, anything wey concern this country, Buhari name dey inside, and it dey vex me. It just dey vex me, because this man, the kind things wey this man don bring upon us, the kind things, no, he no be the first president. We don't dey get presidents before, and I know they talk say wahala no dey, but my people, this one, it is Buhari level where he pass court of, in fact, I don't even know which English I could even use. Everything are from him. Everything are from him. You don't give Fulani people key to this country. Now them the whole key to this country. Now Yoruba or Igbo or every other tribe, now nobody fit talk, because you dey power. My people, I beg. The reason why I bring this matter outside, now for all the Yoruba people where you know say you dey for northern people land. I know say many of una never hear this matter. They give una 72 hours. So I beg, before wahala go start, because see, it better to prevent. than for us to later come and say sorry. And we already know how these people they behave. So I bet just avoid them, comot. So now why I to say the same thing will apply to them. If you be not now, you dey for Yoruba land, start the comot too. Make peace just remain. In fact, make everybody just dey on your own. Now why I bring this matter? You understand? Because I dey pray, say war no go cast. Because if another war starts now, I don't even know who go come help us. My people, now I say I go bring and come on aside. I want Yoruba. Una don hear am. So wetin una gats talk concerning this matter, because I know say many of una now una just dey think wetin we go do to these people. Abeg still dey drop am for that comment section. I go reply una one by one. And if you never share this video, abeg no be stingy o. People need hear this information, this latest one. So abeg help me share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen now between the Arewa youths. Very very important. And subscribe so that you go dey notified anytime when something don happen like this. Very very important. Just click on that thing, e no go kill you. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story. My people, journalist Adeola Fayehun don raise alarm, and this person beg me say, Madam Aproko, abeg help me push this thing, because only her only voice we no go fit hear am. My people, no be small thing o. As I dey talk to na Benz Petroleum, wetin they call organization, a big company. They don't, in fact, they don't raise alarm for Nigerians as they talk to now. The filling station where they talk about from petrol now water. Now water they sell for people. Water. Una think say dey joke. The pipe where they bring petrol now so water, and this one happen after they don't sell for how many customers. People don already dey, because as they sell finish, person wan start car no go start. Even okada, they wan start their bike, e no go start. Na so they start dey check say wetin don happen. And as I dey talk to now, my people, many people car don develop fault. They no fit move. They know, in fact, the thing just cause big kasala. Na why I bring am. So for now, we no know wetin dey shele. Benz Petroleum, join me, make we watch the video.
Wetin be the name of this filling station, abeg? Everything water. Let me pump it. Let me see. Everything, all the tank, everything water. Jesus, water, everything water. Everything water.
Yes, now.
Please do it. Let me see. Do the video. See water. Water. See water. What are you saying? They're not going to see water.
Well, show the name. Let them show them. That's water.
This is water. They've been selling water now.
I dey wait for the day where we go sleep for Nigeria. Wake up without bad news. That day, maybe that day itself they go blow trumpet, because it be like say they don't swear for this country. Every day where we dey wake up, now one thing don't happen, another thing don't happen. In fact, every day of my life, as soon as they see me like this, I dey shake my head to make sure say my brain still dey inside. Because anything fit happen, you fit just wake up now, you go just say, you not get brain again, or the thing don't come out. Which kind bad things every day? Now after this thing happen, where we dey raise alarm now, so I don't know whether na the manager be the CEO, he don't come out now, come dey apologize, say he dey very sorry, say say this thing don't happen, and now they don't start investigation. Even they call the people cars where don't spoil. They call on them, because I don't know whether I want help them or I don't know, but I just they hope say no be sorry matter. You won't call them. They tell them say I'm sorry. My people, right now they don't shut down that particular filling station according to the investigation where they happen. If truly this man they come out now, they tell us true, because many people now they talk say Madam Aproko no be intentional, say a mistake, say no this one. I beg, if truly no be intentional, meaning say na poor maintenance. Because you no go tell me say no how water manage enter that place. How? If not be say they even leave that thing open, maybe rain don't fall, e don't go inside. And they think two things now. Meaning say una no even dey serious. Una no even dey serious. Both the owner, both the management, both the workers. In fact, all of una no even dey one bit serious. Una see damage una don cause now. Person go buy expensive car, wetin go come spoil am because he go buy fuel. May better be say no be him. No, I go just take to una word. Because see, no, una don't think this thing. How come this thing like this never happened before? Say you go buy fuel, they put water. How come? Now when they don't increase fuel, we just dey hear different things. Why is it now? Una sure say these people, based on fuel don't cost now. They don't go do business with the wrong person. Maybe they don't go for cheaper rate of fuel. They can't give them nonsense. Then too, they not fit. See, my people, at the turn of this thing. The earlier you start the work out with this mindset, the better you go live your life for this country. Anything is possible. Just see, they carry it like that for your mind. I no trust I will believe anything again. No, where person go come outside, they tell us story. This one. Now today we dey hear am. Tomorrow now you go hear say, truly, now that one happen. They don't go look for cheap this thing petrol. Go put am there. They don't even know say they mix the thing with water or something. Something definitely they behind this thing. It is very important. Because you no go tell me, no, if not me, that filling station, forget am. We go lock am down. You know fit just dey cause damage. Now people they talk say na government, people they talk say, wait, why una dey even call government inside this matter? Government enter that place. I mean, na the only filling station where they in Nigeria be that. Now only them know what they don't go do. Now only them. Hey, Nigeria. I just dey wonder. Wait, imagine say people no even realize this thing. No, may we just imagine. Say people still they come they buy. They no even realize say okay now water dey inside this thing. They go continue. Nobody go even come outside when they apologize because we don't see them. Now they make them now they come outside they tell us plenty. I beg. Anything when I want thing make una think about me. In fact, I did 200%. Say these people they know wetin happen. They know why this thing water dey inside and they still no talk anything about am. So I beg for una wey no say una car dey involved, abi your okada inside this thing wey happen, you better go back there because they call una for damages. They must pay for these damages. I no go take any story when they bring. Damages must be paid for. Very, very important. Next time, una go dey careful. Both your workers, how una go leave that thing like that? For una way they talk say rain fall, water enter inside. How? Meaning say una no dey careful. And this thing like this, if you keep people. If you keep people, you know which accident fit happen. Imagine your car start then in the middle of the road. Water start dey. Abeg. See, may we start dey take things carefully. Very, very important. I know they like all the you guys. In fact, una need dey more careful. Wetin be that? Abeg, leave government. I no say very no, not true. I no say government they get their own. But when I see this matter, make una leave government first. Leave government first. These people they know wetin happen inside that place. Very, very important. So I beg. I know say many of una now go they get plenty reasons. Whether na rain, whether na government, anyone, anything where you get against wetin I don't talk. No wahala. If they accepted, so start the drop off for that comment section. I go reply on one by one. So my people, now don't hear wetin they shell right now for Nigeria. For now, we never buy them. I beg if they go buy petrol. If they go buy petrol, check out where. Very, very important. I beg subscribe if you never subscribe and share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen. Stay tuned for our next story.